It's our first Christmas out of town.
1, 2, 3, go.
I can see it in your eyes, like chemistry stare I can't deny. It's all the candy feed. Won't you tell me that it's real? You're in my feelings. I can't believe that. Boy, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah. So till you down. I can't get enough. I just wanna dance with you. So can you keep it up, boy? Can you keep it up, boy? Keep it up, keep it up. Woo!
Hey guys, it's Tristine and welcome to another staycation vlog. Today, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa the Aurora Hotel, Subic. Nakita ko lang kasi to sa social media na bagong open siya, I think last November. But upon getting here, it's not literally new pala. Parang they just reopened it, rebranded it, and made improvements, ganon. But still, it's our first time to be here, so we're excited. And we're also glad that it's very near Harbor Point and SM. Maraming stores, maraming kainan. Malapit lang din siya sa Lagoon, sa Subic Bay Yacht Club. So the location is great. Today is actually December 24, 2025. And it's our first Christmas out of town. This is very memorable. Kaya naisip ko din na mag-vlog. Of course, I'm gonna give you a room tour. I'm gonna show you the pool, the cafe, the restaurant. The kids are ready to swim. Here is Tio. Here is Tala. So are you excited, baby? Oh. I can't swim today because it's that time of the month. Kaya habang nagsiswim sila, mag-shoot-shoot na lang ako sa labas. Yung facade, yung paligid, and then I'm gonna go also sa pool so that I can show you guys. Candy Christmas tree siya. Parang candy themed yung mga ano nila. Si Tio naligo na. Si Tala is still there. But we're gonna go back there and then we're gonna think of where to eat. Let's go!
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Goodbye.
Step 10. 11.
Good morning! It is breakfast time and we are here at the second floor and grabe ang daming artwork na maganda. So anyway, dito sa second floor, ginaganap yung breakfast buffet. Ginagawa siya sa may ballroom area nila. By the way, we booked our room via Agoda and yung pinili namin is with breakfast for 4 already. I believe nasa 5,000 lang yung binayaran namin and with breakfast for 4 na yon, and it's buffet breakfast. So if you ask me if I'll come back here, definitely, but not anytime soon. Meron pa din mga iba pang pagsistayan dito sa Subic na gusto din namin makita, matry. And doon kami breakfast buffet. Doon yung ballroom namin. Tapos may ballroom pa dito na isa. And may ballroom pa din pala dito na isa pa. So, meron silang 3 ballrooms. Ibig sabihin, talagang maraming events na nagaganap dito. Dahil dyan, I'm so excited to manifest na I get to host an event here in 2026.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this?
Hindi tayo naglagay ng primer. But usually, pag may event ako, kapag mas matagal ako naka-makeup. Kasi ngayon for photo purposes lang. Magpipicture kami ng Christmas photo namin. But, pag may event ako, I use a primer. This one. I'm brightening. Hello! So, we just checked out. And now, we're trying to take a family photo. The tree kasi is outside. So, hindi siya okay ng gabi. So, we're trying to do it now.
Sometimes doesn't go to plan. You're thrown right across and you get stuck in the sand.